Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can export a selected part of your timeline, not the entire timeline, in Final Cut Pro. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So first things first, you can see that I have like a portion of my clips here, and then I have like a bunch of them here. Basically, I'm editing a bunch of different tutorials and I just want to edit on the same timeline, but let's just say I want to export them separately and not the whole thing. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is you want to sort of compound your clip. So you want to quickly just highlight everything in your sequence. You want to right click and press new compound clip. I believe the shortcut is Command G. And then right here, I'm going to press OK. So you can see my whole sequence is here. Pretty simple, right? Now we want to click on the range selection tool right here. And all you want to do is basically select your clip. So I'm going to click at the beginning of my clip and I'm just going to drag to the end. So you can do from the end to the beginning or the beginning to the end, it doesn't matter. And now when you go to export, I'm going to go to master file right here. You can see if I skim through it, the ending is where my outro is, which is perfectly fine. But let's just say I don't do this. I go to select and now it's not selected. If I go to export, you can see right here there's like a black screen basically because the timeline's empty until the end. And you can see this is a different tutorial. And my first clip ends around here, the very beginning of this timeline. So if you don't do the range selection and you don't compound, then you won't be able to do this. So that's essentially the tutorial. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven and I'll see you in the next one.